Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we have a very good video. Today we got some new parts for I think about renaming the car. I thought about Hades, and as you guys can see right here, I forgot all about recording it and making a video about it. But we did get the third brake light in. It's a Morimoto. I don't know the real name of it, but it's a really good third brake light. It's really bright, and as you guys can tell, we definitely needed it replaced. The stock third brake light is horrible. It's stained. I've tried rubbing alcohol on it. That does not. I couldn't get any of the stains out, so I just might as well. We were going to buy new side marker lights new, so might as well match it with the third brake light. But speaking of buying new side marker lights, we actually just got our new ones in. These are the rear. These are all by, I think I got them by Axial. They're really nice lights. They all kind of look like they're gonna match the car very, very well. We are starting on the front, and I also got these. So basically today we're just doing really, really small changes to the car, just really, really, really tiny things that mean a lot. So like we got 5.0 badges. We went with the gloss black with the blue dot, and that means that that blue dot is also going to be our new color of calipers. We're going to be painting our calipers blue. So far the blue dot I got is grabber blue, so we're going to be doing grabber blue for the calipers, and then that will also be the new stitching and everything for the interior. I'm looking very forward to doing to the interior, but first we got a couple other things. We got a couple, after we do I want to get the car looking a little right before we start going for bigger performance mods, and that's coming right actually very soon. We're going to be doing new gearing, E85, and main goal is to get the car on a Kenny Bell supercharger and hopefully try to get it to push 1,000 to the tires. But we're a long way away from that, and I hope you guys are going to stay tuned and enjoy the build with me. So let's get right into it. We're going to go up to the front, and we're going to be working on the passenger. So to start it out with, you guys will have to, it helps if you guys turn the wheel. I really recommend turning the wheel. Actually, since turning the wheel, we got a good fitment. Fitment is perfect, guys. It looks so good. I need to get some wheel spacers still in the back, but man, it looks so good. It changes the whole look of the car. But anyways, back to these bolts. We gotta remove these two bolts so we can move the fender a little bit, and we can get to the side marker light. But these two bolts, they are 7mm, and let's get these off real quick. All right, guys. So once you guys get these two bolts taken off, and you guys can pull back on this fender, and inside there, let's see if I can. There's going to be one bolt right there on to the right and one bolt right there to the left. The 10mm. You will need a deep socket. I just grabbed this. The wrench obviously didn't fit in there, but I put it on there. They're really not tight at all, so you just hand loosen them. And then after that, you're going to want to take this off. Grab the one for the right, so this would be it. And then you're going to want to twist this bulb off, but you're going to want to keep the black part on where that holds the bulb. Unplug the bulb, and then you guys are going to plug this in. So I'll show you guys what I mean by that. What I meant right here where this plugs in, there's going to be a little bulb like this. It's just going to be sitting in there. You're just going to pull it out and then plug this in, and then you're going to stuff these wires back into the casing, and then you're going to want to push all this back into this housing, and then take these little 10mm nuts that you took off from the last one, and yours are just going to want to tighten them back down, and then repeat the same thing on the other side. We just got this side done, and we'll just take this off real quick. And as you guys can tell, it looks much better. I love how it's just defined LED line compared to the stock side where it's just an orange plate, but it just looks so much better. That's being part of the car. It looks so much more aggressive. It just makes the car look like it, I don't know, it just kind of from far kind of looks like it kind of paint matches the car, but it doesn't. But man, this just looks so good. See, like the little tiny details mean so much to cars. It's just insane. So I'm going to go repeat the same thing on the other side, and then we will get to the back for you guys. Just got the front side markers done. Now we're going to work on the rear. The rear they're really not nearly as complicated. The fronts aren't even complicated, but the rear is just literally one clip. Anyone can do this, and I highly advise if you guys have an S197 or actually any Mustang or any car you guys are modifying, side markers they're the small thing that you're just going to overlook, but at the same time, once you do them, it's just going to look way better to the car. So it's always going to be towards the front. So towards the front, there's going to be one clip, like right here. It's going to be this clip right here. This goes towards the front. So that's how you guys can tell if it's for the left or right. It'll sit like this, and all you got to do is push that clip in and pull out. That's it. You guys can either do that from underneath the car. You just reach from underneath the car and pull it out, or you just get a flathead screwdriver and just pry it out, and it'll do the same thing. So whichever one for you guys. If you guys want to protect your body paint, you guys can always just use a flathead screwdriver and a microfiber towel right here and just pry it open. Or if you guys just don't want anything to do with the paint, just go underneath the car. Let's get that done, and then we will show you the difference between the driver's side and the passenger side. That is the easiest thing I've probably ever done in the car. That literally took maybe 20 seconds at most. But you are going to do the same thing that you guys did in the front and unplug the bulb and just plug the little wires in and then tuck it in to the casing and just snap it back in. It does look very good compared to the stock side. We'll go to the stock side real quick. And it's a lot brighter. As you can tell, this stock side just has the center bulb and kind of reflects off everything. But the new Axial ones we got, I believe I don't remember what I said earlier, but they have an LED light going straight through, which makes them so bright. So here's the new side. Let's see if we can focus on that light for you guys, just like that, guys. It looks so much better for the car. Whenever it is off, it is gray, so it does kind of match the paint of the car, which actually looks pretty good. So yep, let's go get to the other side, and then we'll start on the new 5.0 badges. Guys, so we are doing the first 5.0 badge right now. We got it all masked up, and we actually went to, I forgot everything I needed, so I don't have adhesive remover, so I used my heat gun, heated around it, and went to the dollar store and grabbed some twine, and that worked honestly very good instead of fishing line. And then right now we're just battling with getting all the adhesive out. I'm going to try some just random chemicals, and I will let you guys know which ones work for me. Alright guys, so we got the 5.0 badge on and the masking is off. The best way to get, for me, without adhesive remover, to get all the adhesive off was a lot of bud and smudge remover and the heat, and just trying to peel as much as I can off with my fingertips. But yep, it doesn't look bad at all. I actually really like it, and I cannot wait to get the calipers matched with that blue. That's just going to really stand out a lot. So let's go ahead and do the other side and finish up for you guys. Alright guys, we just finished up on both sides with the 5.0 badges. Here are the stock ones. Here are the new ones. Tell me, what do you guys like better? Do you guys like chrome or the black and blue? I think the black and blue makes the car look way more sleek, especially with the new lights and everything, and it just makes the car look way more put together. I'll give you a look on the other side. Yeah. Oh, I cannot wait to get those calipers blue. Oh, I hope you guys are as excited as I am on this. This car, man, big plans with this car. I still cannot believe I bought this car on January 15th of 2022. So I haven't had this car for more than 4 months. And this is my just absolute dream Mustang. You know, I still, every time I look at it, I just do not understand that this is my car. And yes, we are going to get a vanity plate. I haven't really decided on what it's going to be yet, but temporary tags. I'm on my second set of temporary tags right now, just because there's a whole bunch of miscommunication about the title work and everything. I'll go into that in a different video for you guys. But yeah, everything should hopefully be figured out. Hopefully, fingers crossed, and then we can be able to go get our tags so we can drive the car. But until then, we're just gonna keep throwing on, just making the car look better, I guess. But man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and I'd really love to share a build with you guys. So just make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.